I think you all know, just got aware about all the things, what the specific aspect of this course, this executive AI and ML course. And let me tell you more about this immersion week. Immersion week, this is honestly the most transformative part of the entire program. Day one, you arrive at IIT Palakkad and you meet the hardware, Jetson Nano, Raspberry Pi industrial grade equipment. And these are not toys. These are the same devices used in real industry application. And you set up your environment, you install your models on this device, you see them run. Probably slowly at first, but they run. And the second and third day, the real challenge begins. Now you face real problems, the kind of companies face every day. Your device gets hot when the model runs too long because your model takes 500 milliseconds but needs to run in 30 milliseconds. The device needs to work without internet and battery life is limited. And you will struggle. That actually everyone does. That's the point. But you won't struggle alone here because that IIT faculty members are there helping you, and they have solved these problems before. We already solved this problem before, and we will guide you through. And the last days you make it work. This is where the magic happened. Actually, your model that took 500 milliseconds, now it runs in 28 milliseconds. And your model that crashed, now it runs for 8 hours on battery. And your model that needed internet, now it works completely offline. You solve the real problem. And this week transform you. You get that what I call battle scars, proof that you have done the hard work. And in job interviews, other candidates says, I want to learn deployment. But you are going to say, I have already deployed AI on hardware at IIT Palakkad. Here is my GitHub and here are my results. And companies hire people who have done it, not people who want to learn it. That is a major part of this course. And let me go to the next slide. Then now let me show you the real transformation. And look at the difference between the typical graduates and what you will become. The typical AI graduate. They have a resume listing online, so many courses, and they talk about theory and concept. They have no proof of real world work. And when companies look at them, they think, can this person actually do the job? And we don't know. The uncertainty costs them the opportunities. But you after this program, you have a GitHub repository with the actual deployment code, and you have real numbers. You can say I reduce inference time from 500 millisecond to 28 millisecond, and you have hands-on experience with the real hardware. And you can discuss both AI algorithms and hardware concept. And when companies look at you, they think this person can start contributing immediately. And this leads to three concrete advantages. And first point is recruiters trust you. You have proof, not just promises. And anyone can claim skills, but you can demonstrate them. And second point is higher salary, 30 to 50% higher than typical graduates. Is not a guess because this is what the market pays for deployment skill. And third point is faster career growth. You skip the 6 month, the start learning phase in the company that new hires usually go through. You hit that actual ground running. And let me give you a simple example for understanding this better. Two candidates interview for the same job, and candidate A say, I have completed several online courses and I am very eager to learn deployment. But you are going to say, I deployed a computer vision model on Jetson Nano, optimize it from 500 millisecond to 28 millisecond. Here is my GitHub with the code. And who gets the job? You know the answer is obvious. Then that goes to the next slide. Here, the professional hedge. Let's talk about why companies will actually pay you more. Some people have doubts why this company pay the actual that more than the ordinary career. This is just not a hope. There is solid logic behind it. You will have three things most graduates don't have. Number one, verifiable deployment, not claims. I already told about that proof code on GitHub that anyone can see, and videos your models running on actual hardware and documentation of your optimization process. And number two is real performance number, not estimates. You can tell actual measurement, 28 millisecond inference time and 8 hours battery life, and 4x model compression with the 2% accuracy loss. These specific numbers show you have done the work. And number three, integration stories. And you can tell real story in interview. Here is how I connected the AI model to an industrial camera. Here is the timing problem I faced. Here how I solved it. And stories are powerful. They are memorable and they prove the experience. And for companies, hiring you means three things. Less risk. you start contributing faster, you can solve their deployment problems. That's why they pay more. You are worth more because you deliver value immediately. And think about it from their perspective. Paying you 20% more in salary saves them 6 months of training time and reduce project failure risk. That is an easy decision for any hiring manager. That's why the professional edge is verified skill and career impact. Go to the next slide. And here the bridging the critical gap. And now let me explain why hardware skills are valuable right now. The timing is perfect. You already learned about from Vivek, and I just refresh the thing. Look at the four massive industry: manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, and smart city. All of them need AI, but there is the critical point. They need AI on devices, not in the cloud. Why? You just imagine. Self-driving cars can't wait for cloud responses. When a child runs in front of the car, you need decision in millisecond. Cloud is too low. Then factories often don't have reliable internet. Machines on the factory floor need to run AI locally. And hospitals cannot send the patient data to external servers because privacy regulations require on-device processing. And for everything, cloud computing is expensive. Running AI on billions of devices through cloud would cost trillions. The solution is, you already know about that thing, Edge AI. AI that runs on the device itself. But here is the problem. Most AI graduates only know cloud deployment. They can use Google Colab, they can run AWS servers, but they cannot deploy on actual hardware device. The result is companies are losing millions of dollars. Project fail, timelines sleep, product don't ship. They desperately need engineers who can deploy on real hardware. That's you after this program. That is the major key point of uniqueness of this program. You can take any AI model, make it work on small devices, handle real-world constraints, and ship actual product. And for industries, million of device, urgent need for your skill. That is why company will commit to hire you. You solve a problem that is costing actually them millions. Okay, now next slide. Here the future proofing your career, the strategies takeaway. Without hardware skill, here is your solution. You are one of the thousands of AI graduates. You know theory, but no deployment. You are competing with countless of similar candidates. And when technology changes, actually, the truth is you are vulnerable. With hardware skill, everything changes. You are rare and valuable. You turn algorithm into real products. You are positioned for the future, the real future, the coming future. And let me explain why future-proof matters so much. Because AI is moving from cloud to edge. You all know. This is not a prediction. It's already happening. Your phone, our smartphone runs AI locally. New car process AI on board. Factory robots have built-in AI chips. Medical devices are getting smarter. Home appliances are become intelligent. Billions of devices will run AI in the next decade. Billions of devices. Companies need engineers who can deploy AI on this device. But most AI education is still stuck in the cloud-only world. The gap is your opportunity. 5 years from now, when most AI run on the device, you will be perfectly positioned because you learned deployment from the start. You are ahead of the curve, not catching up. You are leading. Here is the bottom line. You can see AI is leaving the cloud. It's landing on every device around us. Hardware fluency make you a builder of real products. It's secure career for the long term. This is not just about getting your first job. It's about building a career that lasts 20 or 30 years. Okay. Then let me summarize everything we have discussed. What you get is 6 months of comprehensive AI training, building strong foundation, 1 week of hands-on hardware immersion at IIT Palakkad, real deployment experience, and industry-ready skills that most graduates don't have, a portfolio with proof, core numbers, real project, and career advantages, better jobs, higher pay, faster growth, and future-proof positioning. And the core message is very simple. Most programs teach you to build AI. We teach you to build and deploy AI on real hardware. That one word, deploy, that is the difference between being another applicant and being the candidate company want to hire. That's your advantage and that's your future. Okay, thank you.